This is for the MyFine Pocket Watch on Amazon. Comes in a nice little box. You open the box and here's what you have. You have a nice pocket watch with this symbol on it. And on the back it has their logo. Clear that up some for you. There you go. It's fairly easy to operate. You just click that and it opens. And it keeps good time. I've had this in a couple of weeks and it keeps perfect time, so that's a big plus. Also inside is this. It's a necklace, and it's pretty different. I would say more for a man maybe, but there is something for girls. It's a little ring that fits right on your finger like that. This is a really nice set, and thanks for watching.